the last time was or when the next time will be. Everything is a big mushy situation right now. What you're looking at are my 2 designed 3D miniature holding frames, and I know that not everything is perfect with them, and I want to talk a bit about the whole situation. First things first, this is 15 by 15 outside, not inside. This is a 3D scan of the Mona Lisa frame. I will link it down below, the original design, stitched together by me, fused together in Nomad Sculpt to fill the gaps and so on, and printed in dark brown wood fill, because wood fill is the best fill. I don't know, it's my preferred filament right now. I'm a bit obsessed with it. I can't say that. I accept that I'm obsessed. It's okay. This one is the third version of my 17 by 15 with the flush side. This one has a lip. If you look inside, there is something protruding a bit. I think it was 1.6. I don't remember. The measurements are in the linked files. This design is made 100% by me. It resembles a savanna. This should be a lion. We have some savanna grass and ornaments, a flower up here, and I made 2 other designs, and they were not to my liking. I still uploaded them, and I also uploaded the blank one, so you can design this one for yourself. I didn't do that with the 15 by 15 because the whole frame situation gave me some headache. Maybe I will do it afterwards. I don't know yet. I don't even know when this will release, so I don't know. Yeah. So, I didn't choose a particular size, but I have to say that most of my miniatures I own are these Steamforged Games kittens and dogs. So I thought, what is the perfect size for them to at least have some dimensional movement? So you can see it's almost 2 kitties. It's one and a half. No, 1 2/3, I think. So it's okay. I do own other miniatures, and let me think. Yeah, I have a Dragon Trapper's Lodge one that I'm still not sure what I want to paint with it, so it's still looking awful and gloomy and gloopy. I think the resin leaked out there. That's disgusting. Yeah, it's hollow. That's why the freaking resin leaked out there. I should... Give me a second. I should clean that up. I thought I dried them out perfectly, but things like that happen. It's normal. So it's a bat, I think, if I remember correctly. Oh, cutie patootie, you're aggressive. I don't remember the size. I just I'm a user of the Trappers monthly subscription, so I get stuff. I just print them if I like them, and if I don't like them, I don't print them. This is one of those things where I was thinking, oh, that is quite cute. That is a cute thing to paint, maybe, to try and test out my wing skills. These are the wings. So if we say, let's be a bit more like I would do it. So let's say This is a cathedral, and we painted like the gargoyle, grey, whatever. I would snip down this one and put it out here, and probably do some woodwork down here and see the night sky in the back and protruding. This is kind of cute idea, to be honest. Maybe I will do that. Like outside, see? So, and the three elements is like this, and you look here, and the moon is in the background. It's something like that, right? So you have a three-dimensionality to stuff. Or I have the evil Teletubbies miniatures from the evil Teletubby Kickstarter. You can see they have one. I think I made them smaller, if I remember correctly. I can't remember though. There's a big, huge elder one you could just place in here. I haven't printed that yet because the files didn't come out the moment I printed these. So you could do a big, huge elder tubby. So what I'm wanting to say is you can do a lot with these things, right? And so far, you're probably asking yourself why I did that and what the idea was. The idea was being a bit more like Roman Lappert, the more famous German miniature painter. He has these classically crazy frame miniature dioramas going around, won a lot of awards with them. And I really wanted to do that myself. The thing is, there is no way to do that because those frames are all made by him. Let me search for a good picture. He takes the frames, disassembles them, and then makes a diorama out of them. And I don't want to do that because I use frames to put prints in them. Like literally. I collect prints in any way, shape or form. If you are an artist and have a nice art, I will most likely buy the print and hang it on my wall. My walls are full of gallery walls. You see that? Beautiful. And my idea was that I don't want to destroy frames. If I find a cute frame, I will use it and hang it on my wall. But I still want to do it, right? I want to be creative. I want to have these cute dioramas and those plinths. Those stupid plinths. I hate them so much. They're stupid. Whoever made them standard is... no, sorry. I don't like them. They have this emptiness to them, like... I don't know if you can see, it's a bit shiny, I guess. There is nothing behind. There's just this, you have to use your background to fix it, right? To make a good picture with it. But then you have something like this with a background. You can paint on the background, you can say this is the mood I want, this is the mood I use, right? It's so much easier to create a mood with the background or surrounding pieces, and that is more important for me than having a piece that has no connection with its surroundings. It's like a print. You're watching a situation, a moment. That's a freeze frame of a moment, but instead of being it flat and 2D, it's 3D. And I like that. That is so much more fun. I'm still not finding a cute example for a cute frame. He has a lot of frames. A lot of stuff. That is the perfect example, right? Oh, it's the dog. Okay. This is the perfect example. This is the example of storytelling. This frame is literally a frame from a potential movie. Yes, it's a miniature. Yes, it's the Balrog. Yes, I forgot. I don't care. I don't care. This is a frame into a situation. You can't do that without a background, without sides, without making a space for yourself to tell this story. And for that I made these. And I'm honest, I don't know what I want to do with them yet. Maybe the gargoyle idea was cute, though I have to say I don't own any foam to fill the space. I would need to think about it. Don't know. But this is the first video. This is just, I want to talk about these frames. So the next video, whatever that will happen, will be one frame, and then the next to show you what you can do maybe with them. I don't know. Let's see. But I want to give you some hints. I haven't found the perfect print orientation for them yet. Normally I would say just do it like this, but that means you need a full support rim inside and outside. That is a lot of wasted filament. This thing is like 100 or 90 grams of filament. That is a lot for something this small. You can reduce layer height, you can reduce infill, but if you reduce infill, don't be like me and be cheap. Yeah, I tried the spiral to find out if the infill was my problem of bulging. I don't know if you can see it with the black, but I don't know what happened, but exactly at the infill stage they started to bulge, and I have no idea why. That was an experiment. It went wrong. Don't be like me. Don't rip something off with force if the infill is shit. This infill is shit. You need more infill than 10%. That is bad. Do not go lower than 15, okay? This is a 15. Nothing, no problems at all. Nothing. Yes, 10. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. This means I cannot hang it anymore because my hangers need a flat space. That will be interesting. I don't know yet if I will clean it up. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. You could also... No, I don't want to fill it in. It does stupid. I also had 2 fails, but that was because of my settings, I think. I was still dialing in my new nozzle. New nozzle, by the way, this is wood. If you use wood or any other abrasive filament, please be sure to use the right nozzle. I think wood is abrasive enough to kill a brass over time. And I printed a lot with my brass one. And I bought a ruby. That thing is a heat conductor, holy shit. I had to tone down every single temperature part. And also the speed. So yeah, I hope that helped you in any way, shape or form. If you're interested, this man has a website. I think you should visit his social medias and his YouTube channel. He's amazing. Also, he has a Patreon. Super cool. I'm not a Patreon user per se. I don't enjoy that, whatever. But he's talking a lot about how to make real art, and this is one of the things that I also like. He has an STL for these astronauts. You can buy them on Etsy, but you can also print them for yourself, and they're so freaking cute. Oh my god. Yes, they're this small, like literally this small. So yeah, I hope this was insightful. I hope you had some fun. Thank you very much for watching and listening to my rambles, and I will now do whatever I can or cannot do with these things. Not the next video, more like next, whenever I have time or the idea. But until then, thank you very much. I hope you had some fun, and I wish you the perfect and bestest of all best weekends. Bye bye.